Can you show me where the balloons are?
Blue.
Good boy. Where's the butterflies? Good job. Where's the kitty? Meow. Where's the bunny rabbit? Good job. Where's the bananas? Great job. Where's the froggy? Awesome. Where's the cookies? Cookies. Where's the milk? Where are the oranges? Awesome. Where's the apples? Woohoo! High five. Heck yeah. That's a bunny rabbit. Where's the elephant? Yup, good job. Where's the duck? Quack, quack, good job. Where's the bee? Okay, where's the crayons? Good job. Where's the apple? Apple? Remember apple? You know apple, yeah. Where's the frog? Yeah, the froggy's on there. Where is it? Froggy. It's right there. Remember? Where's the zebra? Good job. Where's the turtle? Good job. Where's the bird? Awesome. Tweet, tweet, yeah. Where's the ice cream cone? Great job. High five. High five. Woohoo. Are those marbles? Or balls? Or marbles. I don't know. Whatever you want to call them. Bird's nest. Ice cream cone. Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. Ice cream cone. Bee.